So I took down my NFED 40 meter wire that I was calling variant 9, the one suspended on the little bamboo sticks, and going to get to mow the grass pretty soon. And so I had just laid the wire on the deck. Comes over here, up over here, and I'm gonna see what I can do with it. So check it out. I've got the wire clipped to that would be the 49-to-1 tap. And check this match out, man. If I can get it to focus. The wire's a little too long, it seems, while laying on the ground, on the deck. 51 ohms, almost no reactance. Perfect match. Just way off frequency. Okay, so check it out. I went out and I folded the wire back on itself 3 times, each time about 3 feet. So the wire is now about 9 to 10 feet shorter than it was, making it, what would it be, 63 feet minus, let's call it 10, about 52 feet. I moved the wire to the 64-to-1 tap on the end. Check it out. Look at the resonant frequency. It changed all right. If this thing will focus, I don't know if it will. But check it out. 51 ohms, no reactance at 7204. A perfect match. I don't know what it'll be at the CW portion of the band. Check it out. Even at, let's check it out at the Q. Yeah, well, say screw it. Check it there. Oh, I can live with that. I'm gonna play with this thing. 73.